Morning. Man, does it feel good to be back on the water. So today we've got, I think, about 45 minutes to an hour paddle to the inlet that I want to get to. But we're going to take our time and just explore this part of the lake and drop a line in and see what kind of fishing we can get into. But there are several boats out here fishing, so I'm guessing somebody's having some good luck. I just thought it'd be fun to get back into some of these remote inlets out here and see what we can do for fishing and do a little camping overnight tonight. Stayed out in this wilderness here a couple times, but I've always hiked in. I've never come in from the water, so I have a general idea where I want to be, and kind of envisioning having a little beachfront property because the water has been so low. So that's what I envision tonight, but we'll see the inlet that I want to get to later on today. We'll see what the water levels are. We may have to bushwhack up into the trees and find a spot to camp. And we've been at it for about an hour with no luck. We're going to put some miles behind us and see if we can find that other inlet that I want to get to. Got some motorboats on this lake, so got a few rollers that we'll have to contend with.
How we doing?
Good. See where they built up the shoreline here, and you can see how low the water is right now, so it still has a way to go to get up there. So probably in another year or two if we get some good rain. Here's the western front where we're going to be camping later tonight. I like the concept of this lake because on the east side of the lake is more of your traditional camping, campers, RVs. There's some primitive site where you can put up tents and all the motorboats can put in on that side. But on the west side of the lake, there's more truly primitive and more of a wilderness where you can get a good experience doing some wild camping on that side. So that's where we're headed. We're on the west side of the lake now, but I think I finally see the inlet that we want to get to off in the distance. Paddling into a headwind. It's not very strong, but it's just a slight breeze, so if you don't stay on it, it will float you pretty good. A little muddy. Alright, I think we found our spot. Our string, our tarp between these two trees. And then clear out the brush, underbrush here, and we'll make a nice camp for the night. Let's get to it. Does not sound like the geese are real happy with me down there by the kayak, and I don't know if it's just because it's a foreign object and I don't know if they're trying to find a spot to nest or what. Causing all kinds of ruckus. Looks like we're gonna need a few more rocks. Got our camp established, tarp up, processed a little bit of firewood for our dinner tonight, and then wood for breakfast in the morning. So it's only about noon right now, and we're going to get the rest of the camp set up, and then we'll head back out in the kayak and do some more fishing, see what other trouble we can get into. Well, I've been a man of 1,000 casts and 0 fish to show for it. Spent about the last 3.5, 4 hours. Tried a jig, tried a MEPS, whopper, hopper. So at any rate, we're going to be heading back into camp and settle in for the night and get ready to cook some dinner. About 4 o'clock right now, and I'm ready to call it. spring peepers are off the charts. I'm gonna have to put in earplugs tonight to get any sleep. Other than that, it's pretty peaceful out here. Good morning. Another beautiful morning on the lake. Slept pretty decently. The kayak is a little narrow for the shoulders, so kind of felt a little crunched in there, but overall was a good night's sleep. Got wild turkeys back behind my camp here up in the hill, and got me up out of the bed, so was able to get the fire going pretty quickly this morning. We got our pot of coffee on, and just gonna take our time and enjoy the beautiful morning. And between the spring peepers and the whippoorwills, definitely some serenading going on all night long. Gonna cook up some bacon and make some donuts today. Kind of an experiment going on this morning, attempting to make donuts over the fire. Just simply used a biscuit mix we get from the store that is in those cardboard pop-out pouches. So I separated those all out, put them in some dough, let them set overnight. I've got the donut here together. We're going to put them in our hot oil and see what that does to them. And then I've got a bag of powdered sugar that, if it all works well, we'll dip them in there and get them. So we'll see how this works. Not looking too bad. Well, they look pretty good. Let's see how they taste. Not bad. Probably cooked them a little overdone, but they're crunchy. It's a win. Coffee and donuts over the fire. We got camp broke down and back on the water. Gonna take it slow, might do a little fishing along the way. See if we can get something on the board, but thanks for joining me on this one. We'll see you in the next. Very peaceful.